Hello guys, Merry Christmas and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be solving this interesting problem here. So to start, I'm going to say 1 plus x in the denominator here has to be different from 0 and x has to be different from -1. So now cross multiplication here we have 2 which multiplies 1 plus x to the 4, and then this is equal 1 plus x to the 4. Okay, so we have 2x to the 4 here plus 2, and then this is equal to, expanding this one here, we're going to have 1 plus 4x plus 6x squared plus 4x to the 3 plus x to the 4. And then simplifying this one here will cancel, this 2 will go with this one here, so we're going to have just one here, x to the 4, and then minus 4x to the 3 minus 6x squared minus 4x, and then this one here will go with 1 here, we're going to have plus 1 equals 0. Well, if you understand this one here, this is very close to x minus 1 to the power of 4, which is x to the 4, right, minus 4x to the 3 plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 1. The difference is that this is positive and this is negative, so we're going to add plus 6 here and take minus 6 here, right, x squared. So we're going to have that this is x to the power of 4 minus 4x to the 3 plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 1, and then minus 12x squared equals 0. The difference of this one and this one will give us this one. So now we okay. This means that this whole thing here is just x minus 1 to the power of 4 and then minus 12x squared, and then it's equals 0, right? So I can rewrite this as x minus 1 to the power of 2, right? All to the power of 2, right? And this one I can write as square root of 12x squared, right? Equals 0. Okay, cool. But square root of 12, I can write square root of 12 as 2 square root of 3, right? So, and then here I'm going to have x minus 1 square, right? And here we're going to apply the difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b, which multiplies a minus b. So applying the difference of two squares here, we're going to have this one plus, let me just instead of going straight to this, let me write this like this, so it's going to be more, okay, more understandable. So this is minus 2 square root of 3x all square equals 0. So now we can apply the difference of two squares. So we have then x minus 1 square plus 2 square root of 3x, right? And then this will multiply x minus 1 square minus 2 square root of 3x, okay? And then this is 0. So now we have a product here equals 0. So this term here is equal 0. So that let's decompose this one. So this is x squared minus 2x, okay, and plus 1, and then plus 2 square root of 3x, right? And then here we have x squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 2 square roots of 3x equals 0. So guys, from here we have the first equation here, x squared. I'm gonna write this as minus, okay, I'm gonna say minus 2 minus 2 square root of 3x, right? Because we multiply this, we get negative, and then here we get positive, and then plus 1 equals 0. And then from here we have x squared. I'm gonna say minus 2 plus 2 square root of 3x plus 1 equals 0. So now let's solve. It's just a matter of solving these two equations, right? So the first one here, let's solve this. We have a equals 1, b equals negative 2 minus 2 square root of 3, and then our c is 1. So x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, right? Dividing 2a, right? We just practicing basic stuff here, right? So now we have this one minus b. This is all negative, already negative. So we have 2 minus 2 square root of 3, right? Plus or minus this thing here to the power of 2, negative, right? So we're gonna have just 2 minus 2 square root of 3 to the power of 2, and then minus 4ac, a1, c1, and so we got just 4, right? And then all divided by 2. Okay, just a matter of doing this calculus here, right? And then from here we're gonna have this is 2 minus 2 square root of 3 plus or minus. Simplifying this, we're gonna have 4 minus 8 square root of 3, and then plus 12, and then minus 4, all divided by 2, and then x is equal to 2 minus 2 square root of 3 plus or minus. This one will go with this one, and 8 square root of 3 is greater than 12, right? So we're gonna have that this is then I'm gonna say minus 4, right? Which multiplies 2 square root of 3, right? And then minus 3, okay, here, and all divided by 2, okay. And then here we get x equals to, so this one here will be okay, negative 1 here. So we're gonna have then that this is gonna be you know, we know that minus 1 is equal to square root of, okay, we don't have to write this, just gonna take it as I, right, for I. So we're gonna have then that this is 2 minus 2 square root of 3 plus or minus 2i, right? And then this will multiply minus 3 plus 2 square root of 3, all divided by 2. Okay, guys. So, and then we have our x equals to 2 here. We have then 1, right? Plus minus square root of 3 plus or minus I, which multiplies minus 3 plus 2 square root of 3, all divided by 2. So our x then is equal to this one go with this, so we're gonna have 1 minus square root of 3, 3 here, plus or minus I square root of minus 3 plus 2 square root of 3. So given this, it means that our x1 here is going to be equals to 1 minus square root of 3 plus I square root of minus 3 plus 2 square root of 3. And our x2 is equal to 1 minus square root of 3 minus I square root of minus 3 plus 2 square root of 3. Okay, let me see just how long this video is. 8 minutes. I didn't want to get that long. Please guys, if you think that this video is really slow, please don't skip the video, just increase the speed of the video, okay, so you help this channel doing so. So now from this equation we get our imaginary solutions, and now our real solutions we're gonna get them from here. So following by basically the same steps, we're gonna have that here x is gonna be equals to negative b, which is this one, who is gonna be positive 2 1 plus square root of 3, right? And then plus or minus, you know, we got the same thing here. We just get that this is minus 8 plus 12. Inside here we're gonna have just positive, right? So because this is 2 plus 2 square root of 3 square minus 4, and then this divided by 2. So x then is going to be equals to 2 1 plus or minus square root of 3, plus square root of 3 plus or minus. Inside of here, we're just gonna get 4 plus 8 square root of 3 plus 12 minus 4 all divided by 2. So x is equal to 2. This one will cancel with this, and after some quick simplifications we get this one here, which is 2 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3 all divided by 2. So x is equal to this one here simplified by 2. We're gonna have 1 plus square root of 3 plus or minus I square root of 3 plus 2 square root of plus 2 square root of 3, right? So guys, from here we have that our x3 is equal to 1 plus square root of 3 plus I square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3, and our x4 is equal to 1 plus square root of 3 minus, sorry, my apologies. This is not, these are not imaginary solutions. So I'm really sorry for this, guys. So this means that we have our real solutions as x3 equals to 1 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3, and our x4 is 1 plus square root of 3 minus square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. Please subscribe to the channel. I really need your help, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna eat next month, for real. There is no food in my house, there is nothing, and I'm just counting on some charity stuff, and which I really appreciate. But I think if you can help me subscribing to the channel, this would be really wonderful. I wouldn't be asking this, but my situation do not allow me to not ask for you guys to subscribe. I hope God touches your heart and you subscribe to my channel. And if you think that my content is not so good, for now, give me some suggestions on how we can improve. But please comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And God bless you. See you next video. So these are our solutions for this problem. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.